Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming, and today I will be reviewing another very amazing earbuds. Alright, so this is the Sanag, or Sanag, alright, S6S. Alright, it's really cool earbuds. Alright, this is a really interesting earbud. That's why I tend to review this. Alright, the form factor is really cool. Alright, later you will get to see about it. Alright, and also for now, alright, let me just unbox this. Alright, so yeah, so this is a wireless earbuds. Alright, that I think mine was in purple color because I love purple, so they come in purple color. I definitely want to get a purple one. Alright, and this one has really cool built-in technology that can only be found in those high-end wireless earbuds. Alright, but yeah, this one is a fraction or a quarter of a price, right, of those high-end earbuds, but this thing has, you know, the features that, you know, only can be found in a limited amount of high-end earbuds. Alright, if you guys let you guys see this logo, right? You guys know what this logo means? Alright, if you guys don't know, alright, I'm going to tell you guys later. Okay, so now I'm going to just unbox this and see what we get inside the box. Alright, so yeah, let's just see what we get. So you know, okay, it's very nice. Okay, let's see how we open this. Okay, so it's it. Boom. Okay, so we are greeted with the earbuds itself. Oh my god. I didn't know it would drop off so easily. Okay, that gave me quite a scare. Okay, okay, let me just pull this out. The earbud is fine, don't worry. Okay, let's see what we get inside this accessories pack. Alright, we do get user manual. Alright, pretty basic. And we do get a charging cable. Yep, charging cable. USB-C to USB-A, and this is, I think, a QR. Oh, this is the QR code for you to download the app itself. Oh, we do have another thing inside here. Okay, we do have, wow, a VIP card. Damn, that's really nice. Okay, so what does the VIP have is you can use for a few, I think, oh yeah, I think you can use like to unlock some extra features. I think the AI features in the Sanag app later on. We're gonna talk about the app itself, but it's really cool. They include a really nice VIP card. You feel very premium. Right, so these are basically the accessories we get inside the box itself. So it's really cool. I'm surprised to see the VIP cards. Really love it. Alright, so as a customer, you will feel valued. Alright, so let's just unbox let's take out the thing itself. Okay, it is very pretty. Take a look at how shiny this is. Alright, there's a very nice shine to it. Alright, I think this is plastic or aluminium. Can't really tell, but it's very high quality. Alright, that makes me cannot tell the difference between plastic or aluminium, but I think it's plastic. But it's really nice. You guys can see how good the quality is. We do have a charging port at the bottom with some indicator lights. Alright, and this thing just opens up this way. So yes, and the hinge feels very sturdy, very solid hinge. Alright, so yeah, it's definitely feels very premium. Alright, also it feels very premium. The hinge feels really nice to play with. Alright, and it's very solid, so you can tell a product, alright, that is well made. Okay, so yeah, let's take out the earbuds. The reason why I say this is a very interesting piece of earbuds, alright, I forgot to show you guys the case inside. Alright, so the earbuds just stick in this way. Alright, so yeah, alright, because it looks like a bin. Let's just take a look at this, the earbud itself. Okay, looks like a bin. So how do you even wear this? Okay, so how do you even wear this? Alright, so basically the speaker, the sound come out from the round one. Alright, and this one does all the processing. So the speaker, everything is inside this round thing. Alright, and overall it looks very shiny. Can you see? It looks very nicely made, very shiny. Alright, looks like a earring as well. Alright, so how do you wear this? Alright, so you basically just wear this, alright, at the back of your ear. You guys can see. Okay, you guys see. Alright, you basically wear this at the back of your ear. It just like clip in very nicely. Alright, and yeah, why would I love this design? Okay, I don't know why or have anyone think of this design. Okay, first of all, why I love this design is as a wireless earbuds user. Alright, I don't know if you guys have this experience as me, but the main problem of a wireless earbud is long hours. So whenever I have a traditional earbuds that, you know, goes inside your ear, If I wear it for more than an hour, I will start to feel the sore and pain in my ear. So I have to take out and rest probably like 5 to 10 minutes before I plug back in. And it's very annoying and it's very uncomfortable, especially when I'm, watching movie on my phone with my earbuds in, and it's get really uncomfortable, right? So this one can really eliminate this problem. If you guys have this problem at all, right, if you guys should try these earbuds, right? It just outside your ear, so it doesn't interfere with the side of your ear or anything. It just sticks nicely at the back of your ear, alright, and the sounds go through. Alright, and if you guys are worried about people can hear it, alright, so this is a direct firing mini speaker, alright. It will fire the sound straight into your ear, so no one, even someone standing beside you, alright, cannot hear the sound at all. Later I'm going to show you, okay, I'm going to play music, I'm going to put this mic next to my ear, see if you guys can hear any sound coming out from this. Alright, so to test its legitimacy, that is stated on the website itself, so we're going to test it out, alright. Yeah, overall my first impression of this earbud is really lightweight, alright, they're extremely lightweight, so I think you can wear it comfortably for many hours. I think this will be my next earbuds, alright, for my flight, because it will be a 13-14 hours flight. I think this will be extremely comfortable. I think I can wear it for the whole 14 hours, will be fine as well. Alright, because I'm looking for earbuds that I can wear it comfortably without feeling a pain and taking it out every hour. I think this will be my next one. I think, and it looks really nice as well. Alright, and as well as the case, it looks very compact and can fit into any jeans tight fitting pocket. No, not a problem at all. Right, now let's just go into the specification of this little guys right here. So let's just talk about the weight of this. So since I mentioned the comfortability, the weight of this is only a mere 3.5 grams. That is, I don't know what you guys can compare it with. I think it's the weight of a credit card. I would say extremely lightweight, alright. So yeah, it's only 3.5 gram. And although don't look at how small this and how lightweight this is, alright, the battery life on this is really good. Alright, this thing can last up to 7.5 hours of continuous playback. That is almost higher than average, alright, that you get on the traditional earbuds. Usually earbuds can only last you, 5 to 7 or 8 hours, alright, of continuous playback, but this thing can last 7.5 hours of continuous playback. That is really incredible battery life, and you can go through your whole day, alright, without worrying the need to charge it. So it's really awesome. Alright, and this case can support up to 38 hours of charge. So it's really incredible. You don't have to charge this case frequently. You don't have to plug the earbuds back, and you will charge the earbuds, and you can continue with listening to the music as well. And how about water resistance? So this thing has a IPX4 water resistance. Alright, so definitely you cannot bring it to swimming, but if you are using this in the rain, or if you are using it for sports and you're sweating, alright, it will not hurt this thing. So it will not damage this thing in rain or splashes of water or sweat. So we can use this comfortably in any of these conditions. And just now I was talking about the golden sticker at the bottom. So what does it mean? Alright, so this thing can deliver 360 degrees panoramic audio experience. Yeah, I think this type of technology only in the newest AirPods Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, I think, alright, which give you a very immersive 360 experience, especially in movies. If you guys don't know what it means, basically with these earbuds on, no matter where you look, alright, the sound of probably there's a helicopter behind you, alright, when probably if you're facing straight here and you have these earbuds in, alright, there's helicopter in the movie, for example, there is a helicopter behind you, alright, and if you tilt your head to the left, the helicopter from behind you will be, alright, to directly behind you, no matter your head orientation. So this gives you a really immersive 360 Dolby panoramic experience, and it's really incredible for earbuds at this price point. Alright, even they did include that thing, alright, this 360 panoramic experience. Alright, this earbud will still be, the features contained will still be worth more than the price is asking for. But for the price of these earbuds, I would say it is really incredible. If you guys want to experience this without spending $400 to $500 on those top tier level earbuds, alright, to experience this 360 panoramic stereo sounds, all right, especially in movie. All right, this is also one of it to go for. So you guys can definitely consider this. All right, and it's really, really cool, all right? And they also have, I think there's quite a lot of mics around here, as you guys can see. There's quite a lot of mics, all right, to pick up your voice clearly. So there's one problem in earbuds is most of the time, okay, people, the opposite, the caller or the person listening to your call can barely hear you. Most of earbuds, you will sound muffled or soft or very hard to hear. But with this, all right, they also have an AI call reduction, all right. What does it do is basically, or it makes your voice clearer, especially in loud, in crowded places or loud noises. All right, the other party can hear you clearly, even without taking the earbuds down and using your phone. You just put the earbuds in, call the person, they can hear you clearly no matter where you are. So this thing is really incredible, especially for calling wise. All the time when I use my earbuds, all right, the other party cannot hear me at all. I take down the earbuds, disconnect by Bluetooth, take my phone, put it to my ear. After done, take my phone down, connect, pair it again, and continue listening to my music. It's very annoying. But with this, I can just put this on. All right, call the other party. They can hear me clearly with the AI noise reduction as well. All right, especially in crowded areas. And after done, I just end the call without taking down my earbuds and continue listening to my music. It's very, very convenient. So this is one of the features that I love as well. Okay, so right now I have my earbuds paired with it. Okay, so let me just put this into my ear. Okay, let me just put this into my ear, and it's very flexible, right? So this thing is really how do I put this? Okay, so the cable they use are really high quality, so you guys can see this thing is very flexible as well. Okay, you guys see that? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I can put this into my ear. All right, and let me show you, what features you can do on this thing. All right, so yeah, you can see my left and right is 100%. All right, you can have different keys operation. So these have touch sensitive buttons at the back, so you can double tap. All right, and you can customize what gesture to do what thing. All right, so double click. All right, previous. All right, or next, three times. All right, volume up, volume down. Enable game mode. Game mode will reduce the latency between the phone, the device, and this one, so you can hear the enemy footstep almost immediately. All right, and they have the EQ setting, so you can have SSQVP, and this is a stereo surround one. All right, the 360 degrees one. You can have rock as well. You can select different EQs as well, so you customize different EQ to suit what you are doing, you're listening to. If you're watching movies, the stereo will be really, really awesome. So you can do all these settings in your phone. So once you connect it to it, right, you can do all these settings and customize it to your personal needs. So right now, let's talk about the proximity. Since this is the open ear one, so you scared people might hear what you're hearing or what you're listening to. So let me just play a music. All right, let me just play some YouTube video. All right, music. Okay, so you guys can see I've set my volume to close to max. All right, let's see if you guys can hear anything at all. All right, let's say if a person is standing beside me, probably about this distance. Okay, so I've used it at max volume now. So if someone is standing this close to you, they cannot hear anything at all. Let's go closer. Okay, so yeah, you guys probably can hear slightly a bit. All right, if the person is standing like so close to you, I think anyone standing so close to you, any earbuds they can also hear. But I don't know who will stand so close to you in the public, but if someone is standing side by side with you at a distance, cannot hear anything at all. All right, even so close to you, they can barely hear anything. So this thing is really, really good. All right, and after listening to the part of this music, all right, I'm gonna listen more to it and give you my verdict on how this actually sounds. All right, being outside the ear and being hooked here. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna continue listen to different kind of song like pop, jazz, and some romantic musics, and I will give you my verdict on how this thing sounds. Alright, so I'll just see you back in about 10 minutes time. Okay, so yes, so I've listened to all kinds of music, and here is my verdict. The sound on this is very natural because this is an open ear kind of model, so you guys can also hear the surrounding. Alright, but okay, you might be scared that maybe in a very crowded, very noisy area you cannot hear your song as well. Do not worry, because this is a direct firing speaker, so you guys can hear the music loud and clear. Alright, and like I say, this is very natural sounding because of the open ear concept. Alright, but it sounds very natural, and the mids, lows, and highs are really great. Alright, I can hear every frequency really well, and the bass pretty decent as well. I wouldn't say as solid as the closed ear one, but it's pretty decent. So if you guys are looking for a really bass heavy one, I would suggest a headphone instead. Alright, but if you guys are looking for a really nice music listening movie experience, especially for movie, the 360 one is incredible. Or if you guys are using this for like daily commute, or for watching movies, or in a plane, on a flight, in the car, just very casual one, I think this will be the best fit for you. Alright, and the price is perfectly great. Alright, and it sounds really awesome as well. Overall, the sound on this is really good. I'm really happy with how it sounds, and it is extremely clear as well. So you guys are wondering if it sounds good or not, it sounds really good. Alright, it's comparable to about 100 to 200 or even 300 alright earbuds that I've tried before in the past. I think the sound is really comparable to it, because they also have advertised they have really good, they use really good material on the speaker itself, so the speaker can, I have tested it and it's really awesome. Alright, so yeah, so once again, if you guys want to check out this earbuds, alright, the Sanag S6S, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself. It's very worth it. Alright, and the price is a fraction of what you get, and you get way more features than what they are asking for. So the price, I think, is extremely reasonable. Right, so you guys check out the first link in the video description down below and get these earbuds for yourself. Alright, so without further ado, if you guys like this video, and if you guys want me to review more other earbuds in the future, you guys can let me know in the comment section as well. And yeah, so once again, if you guys want to check out these earbuds, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. So yes, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.